Beautiful weather, Paputa.
Hello.
Going. Going to Starbucks even if the weather is crap. How beautiful.
American style.
Yes.
American style.
With my New York hat. Yeah. It's cold and it's raining, but we need a Starbucks. So.
Another breakfast.
Oh, look how pretty this one is. The shop. Hold on. Me, my boyfriend and my Starbucks. Pettino perplesso. Too many people. We need to get some steps in, so I'm gonna take a longer walk to go back home. Sicuramente. French onion soup tonight. Made from scratch by my boyfriend, the chef. Smells amazing, so hopefully it's yummy too. Ok, io metto tutto quanto in silenzioso con la musica tranne questo verso in cui tu canti. See now the makeup, the lighting is a little bit better. I really love this palette. Now I'm ready to leave. Weather is not great, but who cares? It's the, what day is today? 15, December the 15th, so we need to go and do some window shopping slash actual shopping since we're gonna go to see my family in Rome for Christmas. So today is the last Sunday before we can actually do some shopping. So yes, wish us good luck. A bit cold, but we need to go shopping. I mean, hopefully shopping.
Era molto più freddo ieri.
I think it's cold.
Oh,
Very
right.
very humid as
Oh,
well. It's humid and cold, but whatever. We bundle up. So we're going anyway.
Hello.
Wish us luck, because hopefully it's not gonna be too busy.
Polish.
Because it's Sunday,
They're in Polish.
December 15th, so it might be busy, but it's early, so hopefully not too much. Bless you. Bless you again. Let me show you where I go. We just came back. It was actually a very good shopping day. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So this absolutely not Christmassy, not for the people, but for me, new calendar, because you know, got hair in my mouth. Yeah, I always have cats calendar, so that's the new one for next year. Well, next year, few days to be honest. Then I got this mini arcade for my brother. The 17th is his birthday, not just Christmas. And you know, it's like a nerd, so I know he's gonna enjoy this. So got that. Then I'm a bookaholic, so this again is for me, and it's the first book of Ollie Jackson trilogy. So I saw the other two as well, but I want to read this one first, see if I like it, and then eventually buy the other two. Because yeah, I love crime. Like, you know, I'm a crimeaholic as well. So A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. So yeah, I know it's not very Christmassy, but I still love it. So I really cannot wait to read this and eventually the other two. Then I go two books, one for my mom, one for my dad. I'm gonna bring tortellini, because I mean Bologna is the city of tortellini, so I'm gonna buy fresh ones and I'm gonna bring tortellini to them when we go to Rome next week. But I also got this, which is like a Bolognese slang dictionary for my dad, and this is like a cooking book. It's like a Bologna with grandmas basically, so the way your grandma used to cook. So yeah, that's for my mom. So little recipe, nothing like, you know, just a little, you know, little thing to add. Do I have anything else in here? No, I think that's all. Then I go, of course, wrapping papers, because I have to wrap all my gifts. And then what else did I get? Oh, this is for my niece. We went to the Lego store, very packed, but yeah, I got this. She loves animals. She's 3, so I guess this is gonna be, you know, very cute for her. What else did we get? Oh well, this again for me. Black cherry. Like Bologna is the city of Fabri, which probably I don't even know if you know if you're not from here. I mean, it's worldwide famous, but yeah, and they're famous for, like, they do a lot of syrups, but especially they're famous for the black cherry, which I always love. So I got black cherry candies. And then oh well, this I'm gonna use this, of course, to wrap my gift. I got this one with the Christmas tree and this one with the cookie. And then, completely not related, but you know, you never know when you're gonna get lucky, we got 2 lottery tickets, whatever you call them. So I'm gonna, like, you know, do this in a bit. You never know when you're gonna get lucky. So again, and then while I was working, the girl in front of Joe Malone, because there's a huge Joe Malone shop in the main piazza, gave me this, which I don't know what it is, but it smells very nice. I mean, I always love Joe Malone, because I mean, of course, living in London, I used to always go to Joe Malone, and I had few different ones. So yeah, I need to go there and, you know, smell some new ones, because I do like this one. Is very rich and fruity, I would say, as well. I do prefer, I love it, but normally I prefer more oud, kind of like, you know, scents, like vanilla, caramel, all those kind of, like, you know, very sweet yeah, scents. So I need to go there and see if they have anything new. Anyway, this is everything I got for today. So that was a little, like, you know, update on the shopping, which again, it was great because I think I got everything I needed. I think so. And I returned a tracksuit that I got from Zara because I didn't like it very much. So, but I'm waiting for some other things coming from H&M and Zara. Delivery in Italy like is super, super, super. I know it's like, you know, also Christmas, but they are so slow. Zara, no, Zara is very efficient, but H&M in Italy, oh my God, seriously. I was used to like the efficiency of, you know, delivery in the UK. So yeah, yeah, not gonna say anything, but yeah, H&M delivery, horrific. Like seriously, way too long. I ordered something on the 5th of December. Today is the 15th. It's still on the way. Like, I mean, come on, 10 days. And Bologna is a small city, yeah. Let me tell you that. It's not even like, you know, a ginormous metropolis. So, yeah, hopefully I will get what I ordered before, you know, leaving because I want them. So that's why I ordered them so, you know, so long ago. But anyway, you know, I'm gonna now go eat because it's almost 1. And then I'm gonna carry on with my Sunday because, you know, Sunday is my day off, but it's the, you know, busiest day of the week for me because I always have to run million of errands, you know. So anyway, ciao. Blow drying the cats. Hairdresser and the client. Just had a nice bath. Now it's gonna smell very, very nice. But it needs to get blow dry because it's winter, so cannot air dry the cat.